Hey guys, it's me Patrick here with my sister Liz. We're going to be doing opening lightning coin, this ring lightning queen thing. Look, these are these cards and it's like they're lightning queen. So let's get in there and open it.
Yeah, you can open it from the back.
Can you?
Yeah. We'll just open it from the sides.
Look. I feel rip a bit more. Rip a bit. So I got it. We got it. That took years. Oh really? We have to go there?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try to
Move the back of the ring,
I never
Lucy.
thought we were hanging over it. I want you to I'm going to have to hold it.
So there's instructions here.
Oh, it's instructions. Oh dear.
This will be fun watching you roll this packet.
I broke the bit. I want to get where it goes.
Is that the way it goes?
Yeah.
They're wee tires.
It's so hard.
Sorry, it doesn't matter. It's just that's what again when we finish this.
Put all the pieces out now.
That's what
This is going to take these for probably 5 hours. But I hope not.
Put all the pieces out and we'll see what we do then.
Oh. This is nearly impossible to do. I know what you do. I know what you do now. You have to slide it in, I think.
Yep, that's what
You wanted it?
That's what you do, Patrick.
What are you doing?
How do you do it?
I have no
We'll
clue.
sort it this out now.
But then I'm looking at the
Oh, I think I know what to do now. You just click in, I think.
This is right, you click on look at it.
I know that's what I'm trying to do, but I can't do it.
Give me it. I'll do it. These are like the other things.
Come on, try and do it now.
This is really impossible to do.
I'll push it in and then you can do.
No, I got. You broke it and I got it.
Calm down.
Smear it again.
I hope so. You know what? You're good at that. You can do that. I'm making all the wood pieces.
Are they stickers for it? Guys, open that.
We'll do them at the end, Lucy.
Yeah, that's what I was going to do. So I got it in. This. Now we're going to get this one.
I need to get the box.
Yeah, we'll get the cars in a minute.
I got the instructions to have the bag with.
Yay, I got it.
Right, Lucy, keep going.
No, there are cars in here.
Yeah.
I have the cash.
They're van table. She'll open it in a minute.
Shh, don't we complain. Or we'll get nothing done. Patrick will get the van out in a minute. Continue bobbing.
How do you get this? My hands are swimming.
I forgot I'm looking at this. I'm confused. I might be good at the wooden bits for this.
Can you get this?
Yes, I got my first bit of it.
Oh, that's good, Patrick.
Oh my gosh.
My
Okay,
hands are
that's
so
okay. I got
Move all the papers out of your way, Lucy.
I will move all the stickers out of the way. That's what I will do.
Oh, look at this. This is so hard.
Is it? Well, these ones, for the wooden ones, I'm getting all the wooden. I'm getting the wooden ones, right? There, I got it.
Let's set it down now.
How do you get to do this? It's so hard.
Here's where's the maximum one. Here's a match one. I'm trying to find the right shape.
I'll fix this.
You want help?
No, I don't want
Yes,
to. It's just
hold on.
she's taking my ones.
Where's instructions? Oh, perfect.
I'll get that.
You
one.
break it.
I'll get it. No, I can do it.
Please.
I got the metal one in the first time. I hope this does not break.
He's looking.
Yeah.
I'm going to finish.
I wish I would close it.
We'll be right back soon.
We got a belt, guys.
Now you're gonna play with.
I'll show you what you're supposed to do. The camera are supposed to like fight.
They're supposed to fight, but we have it on the mat because Blaine's sleeping.
We got the car again. We have no cars and if you had free cars, that van would have to go here, but we don't have free cars, so I'll have to use the car to fight with that one. And this one has weapons, that one only has a spin thing, and it has this as well.
It's cool, isn't it? Do you like it, Patrick? Are we gonna click the cars for it?
And look at this. Can't really see what it says. If you can see them.
I'll look in a minute.
It says it's very tiny.
We had to put the stickers now on it, so that's why we went to it. Now we're back to show you it. Let's go now, you and Lacey fight with the cars.
I'm gonna get this right.
He's gonna get his armor out. His armor on the side of his.
It's a stop
What?
sign. It's a stop sign with very spiky.
Spiky stuff, eh?
I just.
Weapons and all.
She told me to put it back, but Lacey, in 10 hits, she died, okay?
Right, go then.
I already got one hit off you, and we're both at 9, okay, I'm 8. You're at 8 as well. You're only at 8. Me. If I hit you first, so what do you call again? I'm still at 8. Aw. Look. Come at me now. No, you still have 7 more. You still have 7 more. You
And
still
guess what?
have 7 health.
And I could.
I hope I win. Look,
Right, go listen.
I'm allowed to go.
Okay.
I can go here and then
Same.
I can come here and I think it should shield. No, it doesn't.
I can.
Look, I'm knocking down all these. You're texting. Well, I didn't hit you, so yeah. When I get you, I'm going to hit you. I'm going to hit you in the face with that.
So Patrick, what do you think this toy?
Good.
Really fun.
We might buy more. We're probably going to buy more cars and do this again.
Aye. Will we?
Yeah.
We'll have to go down and get more cars maybe tomorrow.
Yeah.
So what do you guys say before you go?
Bye. And
Likes
hit
for
the like button and hit the notification button and like this video. Bye.